I was catching literally nothing until I put on a popping cork and started splashing it through the water. Almost immediately I picked up this small bonnet head, or it could be a hammerhead, I'm not sure. At any rate, if you don't think splashing attracts sharks, you be foolish. He hit that thing within about 10 seconds of me popping it across the water a few times. Definitely attracted to the splashing and popping of that cork. I hooked up with him 2 or 3 times. I was fishing with some used pilchards from yesterday. Those are greenback minnows. He took that popping cork down immediately and then came back for it again and again and again. Every time I popped that cork, he'd come back and slam it. Bonnet head, or a hammerhead, probably bonnet head. 32-incher shark. Lay him upside down and see if he goes comatose. Well, he sure does. Put him upside down. They just kind of lay there. Alright. So long, mister. What's the magic word?